How to stop and allow the Chrome notification on your Chrome browser window. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in window only, but this is the same process for all device. If you're using the Android phone or iOS phone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. First thing we need to check before we go ahead, that our Chrome browser up to date or not. Just click on this three dot icon, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see the Chrome browser is up to date or not. If it is not up to date in your case, then it will be start updating automatically, and after update you have to just relaunch it. After reopen, just again come to this three dot option here, go to the settings. Under the setting you can see the left side sidebar. Here there is a lots of option you can see. So for the notification setting, we need to go in the previous in security options, just scroll down, and now we have to go in site settings. Under the site setting, there you can see there is a permissions. Under the permission you can see there is a lot of permission you can give. So we need to go in notification to order to turn on the notification. So here under the notification you can see the three option here that you can select. First option, the site can ask you to send notification. Third is it will be minor or standard send the notification, and the third is this, it will be stop or it will be disallow to send notification to all sites. So you have to select this one to stop the notification from Chrome, and if you want to allow the notification you have to just select this. Okay, then all side will be send the notification. And there is another option which is customized behavior. This is very useful. Okay, so if you select this to don't send notification, but if you want some notification from particular site, then you can allow here some site. Okay, so even though I have select this one, I can allow some site like this to send the notification. Okay, so this side will be allow to send the notification and others is not. Okay, I can also allow some site here to send, allow all site to send notification, but I can also customize behavior to disallow to send the notification for particular site. Like I have to just add the site here. Okay, so you can see you can customize as per your requirement. This is all customized settings you can see, and you can also remove or add from here. Okay, this is three standard you can use for notification settings. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.